A big massive move for Castor team yesterday, and we actually broke our resistance, but we got massive rejection above our resistance around the 58 even. This is crazy news, and this is good indication. And there's another good sign that I saw. I'm gonna tell you where we gonna go by this week, the prices that we have to look for, the rejection area, everything you have to watch out for, like a smart money do. The market maker know exactly where the price will be rejected. So I will disclose all the information in this video. But before we go in the video, like and subscribe to my channel, check my Patreon link down below, where you can see the pre-market update about customer team and your favorite stock reviewed. I will review your stock. If you have any stock, I will review your stock. I will tell you where do you buy and where do you sell, exactly as the smart money do. So use this opportunity and go check my Patreon and support me over there. I will be glad, and you'll be always notified about the exact right price value, and you'll be having the access to my private Discord. So let's go without further ado. I will always promise you, Trading Jesus always say, no BS, no editing, straight on information, straight to the charts. So let's get right to it. As we can see here, as I told you guys, we got our explosion. As we said it in the previous video, we gonna see an explosion here. Boom, we got our explosion exactly as we did in a video before at Customer Team. Hopefully you saw my video, because I told you we're gonna see an explosion exactly by the minute here. And look with me, as we draw here our triangle, the price, it didn't just jump, but jump crazy. I told you here we're gonna see an explosion, and that's what we did. Boom! And that's how the market makers and everybody knows the price. Just go above the just 0.51, we see the explosion. That's why we saw the explosion, because it went above our triangle. And I just notify you guys about this move that will gonna happen soon. And look with me, the volume exploding. Let's go to this 4-hour chart and see what's happened. Boom, that's what happened exactly as we predicted. The price, it jumped really crazy, like, and we got hit big move here at 0.58. So let's talk about this. Why this move? Why the selling pressure happened? Because guys, just use your common sense. Usually when a price been get hit by a like when we trending down a lot, like been 2 months now, 3 months, a lot of people want to cut their losses. A lot of people just to want to break even. That's why a lot we saw a lot of rejection here, because it triggered a lot of sell limit for a lot of people. As we have when we dropped at the 5th of April, now we have the same price here got being rejected, because a lot of people selling here. Always when you make your common sense, you never be paranoid, you never question yourself. That's expected. As we expected, this is will gonna happen. Now the good thing that we can see here, the price been trending down, but we just test our line, our triangle line. Now really important, by today we need this, guys. We need to see this scenario to play through. We need to never go below our triangle here, and this time we don't jump, because this price is hyped, guys. That's why we went up, then we went down really hard, because we need to test first the 0.55. This is the exact move that we want to see. A test, and we get rejection a bit, but we don't want to go below our level here, or below the 50. This is really important today or this week. We don't want to go below the 50 if we want to see the price hold above the 55. We need the test for the 55, guys. This is really important for this week. We need to test the 0.55 cent by this week, and after we test it, we might get a bit of rejection, but this time hold up above the 50 cents. Then we go above. This time will be genuine breakout, not like this breakout filled with FOMO, and we go over it without testing this resistance. This is not healthy. When we see a big selling buying pressure and we see the price explode from our resistance, this is a sign of a warning, because this is the price is hyped. First we need to test the 0.55. After we test and we broke it, but after a test candle testing our resistance at 0.55, we need a closing candle above here. This is really important in order to go higher from here and bounce the 55. Then we test again the 0.60. This is really important level and change in momentum for Castor team, the 0.59, even below the 0.60, because there where we have our rejection area, and we're gonna have our exponential moving average, and this will be the turning point for Castor team, guys. If we have the bounce and closing candle above the 0.60, we're gonna see a higher highs and change in momentum. But the most important level after this is the 0.66, as I told you, and this is the moment when we see Castor team changing the downtrend, and we going even to $1 if we have a closing candle above the 0.66. But now we have to worry ourselves about the level of rejection and where the selling pressure that will happen, as I show you here. So by this week we don't want to see a closing candle below the 0.50, because if we did, we're gonna lose all the momentum that we had, and we go to see even the price go to 0.42 again to test our last support, and might go to see the 38 if, only if, guys, we see a closing candle below the 0.50. We need a bounce from our line here, will be perfect scenario for Castor team. So guys, as I show you here, let me actually go at my channel, and you can actually go to my channel, guys, and go on my community section, and here where we talk about a lot of updates. And if you have any idea about any stock we have to cover, and you could actually, we do a poll over there, so you can engage and ask me any question about the other stock we can cover and things like this. And this is really important for to engage with me in the channel and ask me question will be really important. So as I told you guys, this is the video I did like 1 day before, and we predicted the price that will explode, because the price is exploded as we predicted in the video before. So as I show you guys, be always careful and hit the notification so you never miss any my future update that we do about Castor team, like we predicted before, a day before, so you be always notified when the price will be triggered, like what we did. And like and subscribe to my channel, and always daily video, as always promise you guys to keep you updated, to keep my hunter updated. And so stay tuned, and we'll update you guys for the next video about Castor team by tomorrow. So stay tuned to that, and in the meantime check my Patreon, and see you guys in the next video.